Welcome to Street Stunning. And today we're putting the tranny in. I got the crew here gonna help us.
Yeah.
They're gonna be assistants. We're gonna be doing most of the work. But I guess let's get started.
Yeah. Cut.
Alright, we're gonna start by putting a part in this stall converter. Oh, jeez, we're already starting wrong.
There's already some in there?
No, doesn't have purple. What happened?
There's something in there then.
No, I trimmed it off.
Is it topped off? Did it top off?
No, it's bubbling. I guess you gotta put it in slow.
Yeah.
Damn it. Bring that bag over here. Choo-choo. One is behind you.
Are we gonna just move it from there to there?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Shouldn't be able to do that though.
Yeah.
See, you're already starting wrong. I'm gonna go hit in the face.
I forgot you disconnected those. So how are you gonna pick it up?
Hold on. This fool can't carry that. He's gonna drop it.
What makes you think I'll drop it? I'm young still.
Young and dumb. We need to put, before we do that, we need to put that other line. You guys are thinking good.
What line?
The line that
Hey,
goes
do
under.
you guys want to eat?
Oh.
It's because Amanda made food.
Alright.
We gotta slide
We gotta slide it over. And let's put that line in.
Let's just take it off these things.
Off of the pallet, you're saying?
Grab the tranny a little bit.
Pull the pallet.
Oh, you grab the tranny.
You got it?
No, we want the pallet on. We just want to take this off. Oh. So we can have. Hold on, my foot.
There you go.
Okay, now let's slide this.
Are you guys gonna put it on?
No, not yet.
Oh.
Put that hose. Where did it go?
Yeah, you're gonna have to hold that.
Oh, that thing's heavy. What do you need that for?
Take the little red cap off.
Oh, I used the needle nose. Could we give him that needle nose? This camera here so you can see us mating it.
Yeah, there you go. Turn it to. Turn it. I should find it.
It goes along tranny.
What happened?
That's not going in. Right there.
There you go. Turn more. No.
Perfect.
Let's see. It's not for it, you don't think? You want me and you to give it a shot, Mikey? Got it.
That's a one-man job.
How deep in does it have to go?
Just be right up on it. Okay.
Here, let me see.
You can just push it in. There's just some grooves. There's grooves.
We'll spin it until you find the grooves, you know what I mean?
See, they're on top and the bottom,
Oh, that's it right
but it's not going in.
Are they the same size?
I'm thinking, is this bigger than what allows it in there?
No. Just, dude, when you put it on, turn it.
No, you can't just turn it. You gotta make sure these grooves go in. There's inside of there. There's some grooves like this.
Well, yeah, find the grooves.
But we already did. They're on the top. This is the top.
right there.
That's how they go, but it's not going in.
De ahí no pasa.
No, I see what you mean. Something's going on. I think it's too big. The like shaft is too big.
I think it's hitting on something back there that's not.
Well, yeah, it's like hitting on another from like a sidewall.
Oh, so much for installing it.
Gosh dang it. Huh?
So there's no way we can get one shipped out by today.
Nope. I think GM has them.
You have the other one?
Yeah, but I don't use that one.
Let's see if it goes in.
Use it then.
See if that goes in, then it just means probably this one doesn't go in there then.
Is it up there?
Somewhere under all that shit.
Don't say it like that, man.
All right, so we ran into a problem. Everything was going really smooth until we tried putting the stock converter in. This one will go in, but not this one. We don't know if there's something wrong in there, if the size is different. I don't know if they changed the shaft when they rebuilt the tranny, but I really doubt it. But this one goes in. We could put this one in, but this is for all motor nitrous, and this is supposed to be for boost application. So I either need to get a new one or see if they'll restall it, or I don't know. I'll call them Monday. But I guess that's it for this day. But so we started working on this one. Mikey decided to take out, what'd you do, Mikey?
It
has cutouts.
So it has pre-cut out plates, and we're gonna order some electric cutouts.
Electric cutouts. Oh. So you could just
This is
hit
what
a
they
button.
had on there. Yeah. So now I'm gonna measure this and order some electric cutouts.
Hold on.
Oh no, don't turn it on with him.
Oh, let me put my freaking headphones on. Oh, see, there you go.
See that?
There's-
Pre-set, ready.
Somebody welded them.
Yeah.
They're ready. You just gotta wire them. T56. Damn, you guys sprayed the shit out of it, huh?
Dude, Mikey went out of control with
Well,
it.
you
He's like,
kinda-
So I told you to. I told you to put a box down here. See,
this guy stripped the nut.
I didn't strip a
now
nut.
my driveway's gonna be all.
We got the rag right there.
No, this shit sprayed all the way down there. It's gonna be brown like Andres's butt.
dude, I mean, what do you expect?
All right, starter. Fuck. I just cussed.
Scrape this bumper hard.
That is so loud.
Fucking shit is too loud.
I told you it'd make a difference.
Look at that bumper scrape.
Note to self, next time put a 2x4 or something so it won't scrape the bumper. She smoothed out my driveway.
Hey, you're back.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that will end the video. If you like what you saw or whatever, we'll attempt this maybe in a couple weeks when I get a new stall. See you guys. Subscribe.